Hi guys, Macintosh Guide. We are going to be setting this up. This is a office chair, as you guys can see. Gonna be basically setting it up, and I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of it, show you what the end product is. Now you guys probably know my old chair. It's a blue one, foamy. It's getting a bit annoying to sit on, so I got myself a proper office chair. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to speed it up, and you're going to see me struggle and everything to be able to do this, but that's the fun of it. And you know, we're not that far away from Christmas, so why not do something fun and just set up my office space as well as I can. And I do apologize for all the mess that you guys see. It is, of course, a mess. I obviously travel back and forth between the States and the UK. I live in both countries, so it can be a bit of a hassle to be able to keep everything in check. That Mac Pro, by the time that this video gets uploaded, is going to be gone. That's a £16,000 machine, and I'll go into a story of what happened to it, but it'll be gone by the time this video launches. But yeah guys, let's just get straight into unboxing and actually doing this. Alright, so I've got the scissors. And as I said, I needed a new chair for a while. I had my existing one, I believe, when I first moved into this house. But obviously now it's got to a point where we kind of just need to need an upgrade. And how else are we going to do that without getting a new chair? So let's shift everything back a bit, take off some useless packaging. This is the instruction manual, so this chair instructions. And there's a lot of things that are just placed randomly. So we've got one of the arms, put that on the side. We've got another arm, put that right next to it. We've got more packaging, we've got a box which I'm presuming is full of screws, so we'll set that here. We've got one of the platings, put that here. We've got the star that we obviously need to use for it to move around. Then we've got the seat, which is actually quite a big seat in my opinion. I'll put this in the back. Got some padding for the head, and then we've got a big piece for the back. So that seems to be everything. I believe that came with it. And let me just throw that to the side. So we've got everything here that we need. So yeah, so now we're pretty much just going to start doing it, and you're going to see a time lapse of me struggling to do this, so let's see how that goes. So, we've now got the chair built, and let's just have a look at the chair. So I'm going to spin it around. As you can see, there's a headrest, there's typical arms that you can move up and down, there's a big seat, the chair can go up and down. So usually what seems to happen is we have to test the chair, right? And I'll show you the old chair I had. This was the old chair I had, and you know, it was good, it's good, and I'm going to keep it just as a spare for anybody who comes into my office up here. But it's just breaking, there's too many breakages happening everywhere, etc. So this chair, office chair. So let's have a sit on the chair. How do we feel? Nice headrest, comfortable. You can see that there's a back support module, so you can move it up and down if you wanted to, depending on where you want it. I want it right on my back, so I love that. And then I'm a tall bloke, so for me, I can put the chair down, or I can put the chair up. There is an option to be able to either loosen or tighten the back aspect, so it goes quite nicely. I like it a bit firm. And then one thing which I have a really bad habit of doing is I cross my legs sometimes. So let's say I want to cross my legs when I'm working underneath my desk. It's absolutely fine, it works great. So great chair in my honest opinion. As you can see, it's a fantastic chair. Picked this up for £52. You can't go wrong with this. I think the price might have gone up now, I'm not quite sure, but I love it. And yeah, it's great. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me struggling to build this chair. Like and subscribe as always, and I will catch you guys very soon. And of course, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's coming very soon for all of us.